Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day. Marco is here.
Hello again, everyone.
And we're going to go to a sports card show. Sports trading cards, baseball cards, football cards. See what they have to offer. You never know, we might find some treasure. Come on along.
His dad did? Basketball? Yeah, I know he played and then he tried to walk on or something like that.
I don't know about basketball.
No, it's
A couple of jerseys here. Check on Mark. Mark, what's your first impressions?
Well, it's a little bit smaller show than I'm used to, but that doesn't mean that there's not going to be anything good. So we're going to take a look around and see if we can find anything. But yeah, I'm usually used to a little bit bigger shows, but you never know what you can find.
That's right. Couple Josh Allen helmets over there.
They look good. You get a lot of Bill stuff. I bet
Yeah.
you need some like Batavia, Buffalo, Fredonia.
He got hurt. You bringing me today, Coffee?
He almost got poached in the hallway.
Yeah, guys like, what do you got? I said, I got something for one of my.
What's with the weight thing? What's that?
My notebook and stuff that I need.
What do you want for this?
Did you get those underwear? Did you bring a good box and good stuff?
Best in Huh?
Did you bring those underwear?
You want to break the things?
Oh, what happened to your shirt? I love that the sweatshirt that you were wearing the last time.
I brought some other stuff.
You should make those and sell them here. You'd make a ton of money. What are you looking for? It's probably worth
Medium?
$1,000 probably. Whatever LeBron's cost.
Probably went down a little bit because it keeps his mouth.
Yeah, that's the thing. Just play ball.
He's got an opinion on everything, and the only thing for people listening, he's a high school freaking graduate. Everybody thinks he's King Arthur. It's down to $593.
Like top?
670.
Got this right here. Might be your size too. 53 tops.
Yeah, I like that one that you had. You had the one that had like upper deck flare. Yeah, that was cool.
I got single shirts like that with upper deck and flare.
Is that right?
Yeah. Like these.
What are you looking to trade? What are you looking to trade for?
Oh, what'd you bring me?
What are you looking at, man? Tell me what you're like. You gotta tell me what you're looking for.
We got Iverson rookie? I'm always looking for that.
I don't have any Iverson. I gave you that last one.
No, I never got it from you.
I don't think I even brought that stuff with me today.
How much is this Giannis going for?
That thing, I'd have to get like $3,000.
Okay. So that's out. How much you getting on your banker?
I think that's 300. I think 300.
Hey.
Keep going. I'm willing to go about 8.
Nice card.
Is it on card or is it safe?
Yeah, I think it's on card. I don't think they do stickers. No, they don't do stickers. You didn't bring me any of the Iverson stuff? Nothing? Durant? Any of those guys? Durant? I'll take Durant. I like Durant. I like Iverson.
Durant rookies don't pay. Really don't pay. I've got a white and a blue.
Kobe's? No Kobe
I
rookie?
had one last week in the sun. I got.
Okay, guys, so Mark is in negotiations to possibly trade or sell his LeBron James card that he brought. So, yeah, we'll see how he makes out. Let's see how these negotiations go. One thing I'll say about Mark, after knowing him all these years, he's very shrewd, he's very meticulous, he's very calculating. So, he knows what he wants, and he's going to get a good deal one way or the other. So, let's watch this master at work. I'm smiling under here in case you couldn't tell.
Alright. Well, we can always put stuff on the side. I'm not worried about it.
We know Alan. But I will find it and save it.
That's what I was gonna say. I can just put some stuff on the side.
I know I haven't done it so far.
Yeah, you had a few of them. I don't know what I did with them.
I can't even think.
Well, it must be nice to have that much good stuff that you don't even.
I gotta keep one of these. Which one do you like?
Oh,
better?
I'm just throwing stuff
Well,
out.
which one do you like better? The orange or the... You pick. I gotta keep one. Sunring wise, we're about the
Probably
same.
just gonna put them on the side anyways.
Sunring's about the same. Orange is about the same.
I'll probably go with the orange to tell you the truth.
Alrighty then.
Okay, guys, we are back from the card show. Had a pretty good time. I just went mainly to film, get some content, and show you what Mark was doing. Mark was looking for some treasures of his own, and Mark actually went with just one card. Which card was it, Mark?
It was a 2003 Topps LeBron James rookie card.
Okay, very cool. And he showed it to this one particular dealer that he's dealt with in the past. Good guy, local guy. And you saw in the video, they were just looking, he was looking at some of the cards and stuff, and they were negotiating. And, well, Mark, show everybody what you got. This was for one card, guys.
Okay. This is an optic rookie card of Lamar Jackson. He had he was the MVP a few years ago. He had a little off year last year, but I think he's due for a comeback. Those go for about $50. I think they're going to go up during the season because I think he's going to his stock is going to rise.
Very
I think
cool.
He's good, due for a comeback.
Okay, so that's one card. We'll put it over here, I guess.
I picked up this Kevin Durant. He plays for Brooklyn now, and Brooklyn has a really good team. And also, I think people are starting to realize that this dude might be in the Hall of Fame. So that was the orange version of his rookie card, and those are going for about $90. So
Nice. Okay.
I thought that was kind of cool.
All right.
This is a rookie card, Topps Chrome of Travis
Kelsey, yeah.
and I think him and Gronkowski are like 1A and 1B in terms of tight ends, and I think his stuff is a little bit undervalued. That goes for about $30-$40. It was well centered, it's in good condition, and I think the Chiefs are going to be good, so
Cool.
that might have some value to it.
And again, this is all just for one card, guys.
Yeah. And this is Zion Williamson. He was one of the top draft picks in the NBA a few years ago.
Yeah, his shoe exploded on him.
Yeah, that's the guy.
Unbelievable.
This is one of his better unsigned rookie cards. So this goes between like $90 and $100. So I'm not a really big basketball guy, but if the big names, I'll always pick up. And for football, I think the Browns are going to be really tough this year. I think they have a decent chance to win the AFC. We might look at this film in September and October and saying, "Are you sure about that?" Or come Super Bowl time, they might be at the bottom. But I think that they are really going to be a good team. And usually, when the team does well, the focus is mainly on the quarterback. And so, if the Browns do well, Baker's cards will do well. That's an autographed version of it, and it's a jersey card, and I think it's numbered to only 65.
Yeah, it's 75, it looks like.
And I looked those up on eBay, and one sold recently for $250.
Wow.
So
this is actually like a trifecta. It's a rookie card.
Right.
It's numbered only to 75. It's autographed, and it's a jersey, and it's a two-tone jersey.
And the last two that I picked up, I think the Cardinals are going to be a strong team this year. And again, the same thing as Baker. If the team does well, the quarterback is the main focus. So this is the rookie cards of Kyler Murray. This is his optic. And this is the same thing basically as the Baker. It's his rookie card, it's a piece of a jersey, and it's an autograph. And that one there, the last comp on eBay was $350.
Wow.
So that actually, people have an interest in that. So that has
very cool.
That has some potential.
Yeah, this is cool, guys, because again, like Mark said, it's numbered. It's a limited edition to only 65 cards made. It's autographed, and it's a piece of jersey, and it's actually 3 colors: the cardinal red, black, and white. And yeah, that's very cool.
And there was a few Allen Iverson cards that he had that I was looking at, but he forgot to bring the box. And so I said I was still interested in the Iversons. I said, but what can you do for me? Because I wanted a little bit more thrown in on the deal. So he shot me a couple of $100.
Boom!
just to finish it off.
So for one LeBron rookie card, you got 2 bills cash, and all of these.
And I think that these have potential. I think these have a chance to really go up this football season. I think he's going to make a comeback, and I think he's going to end up in the Hall of Fame. And this guy's on a really good team, and he's maybe an up-and-comer as well.
Very cool, very cool. Now, one other thing too, guys. Like we say, treasure comes in many forms. I mainly follow football. Mark does all sports. I like autographs, football Hall of Famers, things of that nature. Now, the card that Mark traded for all those, it was a nice card, but it wasn't graded, was it, Mark?
No, it was a raw card that I bought many years ago.
Yeah.
I want to say about at least 10, 12 years ago.
And you almost wonder, I mean, why would Mark want to part with the card worth so much?
Well, because I might have had another one.
Oh, he's got another one. He just dumped his spare. Unbelievable, guys. And the one that Mark traded wasn't even graded.
No, it was
This
ungraded.
one is graded as a 9 out of 10 which is pretty darn good. And if it was a coin, it'd be like an MS-68.
Yeah.
So, but this is the card he traded. Again, it was just a raw card. It wasn't encased or anything like that. So, yeah, Mark's always got a contingency plan. He has a spare, and like I said in the video, he's very, what did I say? I don't even remember. I paid you some compliments. You're gonna like it.
Oh, I
so.
appreciate that. Thank you.
Well, guys, that's going to wrap up this unique video. It wasn't a coin hunt, but it was treasure. And hey, if you like this kind of stuff, let us know. Maybe we can implement some more stuff. And if you're new to the channel, hey, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, drop us a comment. Let us know, do you collect sports cards? What's your favorite? Hey, maybe Mark will trade something with you.
Hey, you never know.
You never know. All right, that's going to do it. Well done, Mark. You get a thumbs up from me, buddy.
All right.
See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.